Okay, a lovely welcome to our mathematics class, and I'm presenting to you fractions. Sometimes we go to school, we learn, and small tips of what we learn get us confused. And I want to bring the attention to you that it is not difficult as we think, especially when people hear it is about math. And let's come to the board and see how we can just work out some few fractions off. People get graduated from basic school, go to junior high, SHS, and still have problems with fractions, and it is very terrifying. Let's go to the board and see what we have here. We are changing improper to mixed fractions and mixed fractions to improper. That's what we are doing, and let's look on the board here. We have 15 over 4. This is improper. We know that improper fractions are fractions that have the numerator greater than the denominator. So let's look here. We have 15 over 4. What do we do when we have this? Mostly we know that we talk about mathematics and we can eliminate addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That is all the science that mathematics is all about. So here we are going to use multiplication. Now let's see. If we have 4 as the denominator, then what happens? 4 is here and 15 is here. How are we going to get the whole number of the mixed fraction? We have to look at the multiplication table of 4. So 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 4 times 3 is 12. And 4 times 4 is 16. Now let's stop here. 16 is more than our numerator. So we have to select the number that is less but close to the numerator here. So what is 12? And how many times did we multiply 4 to get 12? It's 3. So our whole number is going to be 3 here. Don't concentrate on this answer. This answer is telling us that the whole number we are taking is correct. So don't concentrate on the answer here. But 4 times 3 gave us 12, which is close to the numerator here. If you take 4, it's more than the numerator and it's wrong. So we get 3 here. And when we subtract the answer, look at it carefully. When we subtract the answer we had from the numerator here, what do we get? It's going to be 15 minus 12. And the answer is going to be 3. So we are going to have this 3 being our numerator here and over our 4, which is this. That is how you change it. Simple. Using the multiplication table, make sure the number you are selecting is not more than the numerator here. That's just quick as it is. And here too, the same thing. Now let's look at this. If we have this here, okay, let me bring this down so that I'll not erase there. Listen, it was 6 over 5. Improper fractions always have the numerator high. Now let's look at the same thing. Are we going to use the multiplication table for 5? Yes. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 5 times 2 is 10. No, 10 is not appropriate because it's more than our numerator here. So we are going to select this. So 5 times what gave us this is 1. So our whole number is going to be one whole number. It is this. That's the whole number. One whole number. And when we subtract the 5, the answer we had here from this is going to be 6 minus 5, which is going to equal to 1. So it's going to be one whole number, 1 over 5. Then we are done. We're good to go. So let's reverse it and see how it is. That is what we have here. The reverse of the improper to fraction, mixed fraction, and mixed fraction to the improper. What we are going to do is, I just give you the simple trick. Put multiplication here and put plus here. This times this plus this. That is what mostly we just point hands at and it confuses. So 3 times 4 will give you 12 plus this, which is 1. Then we get what? 13 over what number was here? 3. This is it. So it's 13 over 3. We are done. Simple as that. The same way we put the multiplication here and our plus here. So the product you get from here, you add it to this. So we have 3 times 3, which is 9 plus 2, which is giving us 11. So we have 11 over 3. Don't forget, this numerator here is always the denominator of the what? Proper fraction. Every mixed fraction has a whole number here and a proper fraction. So this numerator I'll be writing here are the denominator of the proper fraction. It is not because it is 3 I'm writing. It's like they look similar. If not, if you don't understand it well, you say it's because when you are working mixed fraction to it proper, you have to always write 3. No, please. Let's look at our last example and we'll go. We have, let's say 2, 1 over 4. Let's see this. Multiplication here and plus here. So it's going to be 4 times 2, which is 8. And we bring plus the numerator here 1, which is what? 9. And the 9, the denominator here is 4. So we're going to get 9 over 4. That's it. Thank you for watching. And if you have any problem, anything, just drop it in the comment section. And please don't forget, if you think you want to enroll in our services, just hit the link button and just comment on it. We'll be at your service. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Something good is happening here. Bye bye.